Hello, another glorious day in North Kilworth. Leela and I are going on a jolly little jaunt down the muddy towpath, surrounded by beautiful green and trying to think very positive. I had a very good sleep. I didn't get up very early this morning. I just lay in bed because I was super comfy and just enjoyed having a lazy morning. However, I do feel a bit guilty because there's a lot I wanted to achieve today, but I'm going to try my best to get that done. Been to the gym, Market Harbour, changed gyms, and I get to have a shower. Oh my god. I want to shower in 3 days. I can't wait. Small pleasures, hey? And as I lost myself in the joy of having my first lukewarm shower in 3 days, I allowed myself to drift off to another place. A happier place. A better place. All right, let's go back to reality, eh? Anyway, back at the caravan. So the day did get better, bit by bit it's been getting better. So today my extra bit of productiveness was to go to the gym, which is awesome, at Everyone Active, a lady there. I was so sad, I just was in such like a sad mood today. And she was so lovely. She helped me navigate where I was supposed to go. I didn't do too well at the gym, but I was glad I went because I felt productive. And I managed to have a shower. Look at this. Clean hair. The showers were cold, but I was still happy for them. And yeah, tomorrow, the extra thing I want to add on to my productive list to do is to get on this bloody boat. So I'm going to be filming some boat footage tomorrow. And also, if I'm super productive, I'd like to edit an episode because I've still got a load to release on Patreon this month. And yeah, so everything's coming into place. The big bonus of living here in the caravan is being surrounded by this countryside and being along the canal. It's so beautiful walking along the towpath in the morning, so yeah. But thank you all for your lovely words. I'm going to relax now and enjoy a little G&T. Obviously I didn't do a pint of G&T, I've done like a little one. Delicious. So I thought everything was gravy, but it's not. I know I've got lights on, but I think that's from the battery or whatever. But the electricity is just cut out. So now I have no heating, nowhere to charge anything. And it's it's going to be really cold tonight. I don't really know what to do. Oh! Nothing is ever simple, is it? I don't know what to do. I'm so tired of this. Why is everything hard? Along to the towpath, can't get to work, I can't get anything to plug in, and it's going to be a really cold night. I'm going to... I'm so tired. I'm going to go to my mum's. You'll be happy as well. She'll be really happy. I'm going to have to figure this out. Go see Nanny. Should we go see Nanny? Yes, please. Update. I got in my car, packed my stuff and drove back to Nuneaton, and I went back to stay with my mate Steve, who had me round last time, and I'm so happy. I couldn't be happier. I really am, because I'm going to have a lovely walk tomorrow and a shower, another shower. Well. So I went back to my mate Steve's. I couldn't put up with that. The power went out, and I just kind of realised that you can't really live in that sort of environment if you can't cook and you can't wash yourself and you don't have heating. It's not an environment where you can go to night after night and then have a successful day of work. So caravan life can do one. Steve, and what I've done now is that my amazing mum and dad asked me if I'd like to come back home for a couple of months to save up some serious cash for the boat. So I haven't lived with them for years. I lived with them for a bit when we were in Australia, but Leela's very happy here, so I'm going to be at home with my mum and dad for 2 months. And hopefully all the money that I would have saved from paying rent with Steve, my other housemate, be able to go directly into the boat. You know, I wouldn't say it's perfectly ideal, but my dad is really good at organising things, and I think I can learn some really good project management skills whilst I'm here. I love spending time with my mum, and I'm by all my family. My nephew, he goes to the school up the road, so I'm looking forward to just picking him up from school. My friend is like 5 minutes away, and she's got loads of animals, and I've just come back from going on a dog walk. So if anything, it's going to keep me out of trouble. I'm back in the countryside. And I think sometimes in these scenarios, you just have to adapt yourself. So I'll be heading to the boatyard tomorrow to check on the water. I've already contacted some people, like a plumber and electrician. It's just saving up money from working my arse off to pay those people to get the work done. So I'm going to be focusing on my health, focusing on my fitness. Ever since I've been starting going to the gym, my mood has been really, really good, and I really want to continue with that. But I don't think my well-being would have increased staying at the caravan. I'm really grateful to the boys setting it up for me, but it just wasn't habitable. It is what it is. So yeah, back at home. It's strange, but it'll be good. I love my parents, so. And Leela loves them very much as well. Right, off to the gym. All the best. Just arrived at the gym. It is Monday, the 27th of January. Got a lot to do today. I'm going to get my stuff from Steve's and bring it back home. I'm going to go to my storage centre, get all of my illustrations and my prints, set up my a little shop in my childhood bedroom. I'm really looking forward to it. And then I'm going to do some goals that I've got, and then I can't wait to clean this car. I feel like I've just had my possessions in my car for the past month, and I'm ready for a clean slate. I don't want to look like a tramp anymore. So I am excited about it, and there are various other things I was excited about, but I think it's really important to just bounce back and be positive. So carry on, and I'll see you tomorrow. Let's go to the gym.